So hi buddies, hope you all are great. So in this video, I'm gonna tell you how you can get YouTube Premium absolutely free of cost. No matter from which country you are, you can avail this offer. There is a secret trick how you can get YouTube Premium for free for 3 months. So I will tell you this thing how you can do it. So if I have to tell you about the secret trick is LinkedIn. You see this in LinkedIn, they are providing you this offer of YouTube Premium for 3 months. With it, you will get Lovable, Headspace, Notion, NordVPN, all these offers. So for this, you have to purchase a LinkedIn Premium. But as I told you in the beginning, I will provide you it in free. So for this, you see this LinkedIn has this offer. You can just try for 1 month premium for free, absolutely free of cost. So you just have to activate the free, and after you activate the free, you simply have to click on this and you have to click on this premium and features. You see this, if I'll click on redeem, then I can just redeem the YouTube Premium. So this is the secret trick, very easy. You don't have to pay anything. LinkedIn Premium is free for 1 month. So you can just use this YouTube Premium for 3 months. If you want to use Lovable, then you can use it for 1 year. All these offers are there, very easy. So I hope you like this video. If yes, then you can give this video a like and do subscribe this channel. So that's it. Thank you and bye bye.